Welcome to our podcast, where we cover unique and interesting stories for you. In this episode, we will discuss the first detection of CO2 and CO ice in distant parts of our solar system. Scientists have observed carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide ices in the far reaches of our solar system on trans-Neptunian objects for the first time. The observations were made using the infrared spectral capabilities of the James Webb Space Telescope, which is the largest and most powerful telescope ever launched into space. In a study published in the journal Nature Astronomy, scientists analyzed the chemical composition of 59 trans-Neptunian objects and centaurs. The groundbreaking study suggests that carbon dioxide ice was abundant in the cold outer parts of the protoplanetary disk, the enormous revolving disk of gas and dust from which the solar system began. However, a research team, led by planetary scientists Mário Nascimento and Noemí Pinilla-Alonso from the University of Central Florida's Florida Space Institute, also said that more investigation is required to understand the carbon monoxide ice's origins because it is also prevalent on the TNOs in the study. As quoted by Physics.organization, Depra, who co-authored the study, said, "It is the first time we observed this region of the spectrum for a large collection of TNOs, so in a sense, everything we saw was exciting and unique. We did not expect to find that carbon dioxide was so ubiquitous in the TNO region, and even less that carbon monoxide was present in so many TNOs," he added. Experts believe that the study would help in understanding the formation of our solar system. It could also shed some light on how celestial objects may have migrated. Trans-Neptunian objects are relics from the process of planetary formation, Depra said, further adding, "These findings can impose important constraints about where these objects were formed, how they reached the region they inhabit nowadays, and how their surfaces evolved since their formation. Because they formed at greater distances to the Sun and are smaller than the planets, they contain the pristine information about the original composition of the protoplanetary disk." That's all from this podcast. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay connected for more exciting discussions and updates in our next podcast.